Hello everyone, it's yummy time here at Fofolicious Food Bites. Today, I'm so excited to show you a simple and healthy way to enjoy your fish and salad. Yes, fish can be enjoyed just like this. First, let's grill our fish. Clean and season it with your favorite spices. Then grill to perfection. Next, remove the bones of the fish for the fish wrap. Toss it in a pan with some pepper, onion sauce, add extra spices, flip and mix. Set it aside to cool. The grilled fish is looking so good. Garnish it with sliced cucumber, sauteed onions and cabbage, fried plantain. Let's make the simple salad. Combine cabbage, carrots, cucumber, tomatoes, boiled eggs, and mayonnaise. Mix well and serve. For the fish wrap, just put your flatbread on the tray. Add your cabbage, the carrot, the fish, that's a grilled peppered sauce fish, the cucumber, tomatoes, add your mayonnaise, a lot of it, and just wrap it up. The moment of truth is here. Let's taste all this deliciousness. You have to recreate this recipe, but for now, let's just see how this wrap, the fish wrap, is. Wow, so lovely. I'm adding even extra mayonnaise on top of it. Delicious, delicious. And for the fish, oh, it's so nice and delicious with the plantain and all the garnishing. Yes, this is a very, very wonderful way to enjoy your fish and salad with fish wrap. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites for more easy, healthy recipes. Thank you.